I'm going to show you how easy it is to install my custom Bally Star Trek pinball soundboard. Just remove the J1 and J2 harness connectors from the old board, remove the board, insert mine, and reconnect the connectors.
Fully operable, Scotty?
Yes, sir. Hey, warp factor 1.
Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes.
Deflectors, full intensity. Deflectors, full intensity.
Phases unstunned. Arm photon torpedoes.
He's dead, Jim.
Let's open it up again and switch it so that a new background is played for each ball.
Multi-background.
Full ahead, Mr. Sulu. Maximum warp. Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes.
Deflectors, full intensity. Deflectors, full intensity.
Arm photon torpedoes. Phases unstunned. Arm photon torpedoes. Photon torpedoes, fire!
Most illogical.
Bank 1 has bridge sounds as its single background.
Single background. Sound bank 1.
Hey, warp factor 1.
Arm photon torpedoes.
Deflectors, full intensity. Deflectors, full intensity.
Arm photon torpedoes. Phases unstunned. Arm photon torpedoes.
Blasted machine, Spock. You can't argue with the machine.